Hey everyone, ready to share your Roblox game with the world? Once you've finished building your experience in Roblox Studio, publishing it lets other players discover and enjoy your creation. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to publish a Roblox game in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch Roblox Studio and open the game you want to publish. Before publishing, make sure you've tested your game and saved your latest changes. Now click File, then select Publish to Roblox. If this is your first time publishing the project, choose Publish to Roblox as to create a new experience. Give your experience a name and description, then choose the appropriate genre and device compatibility if those options are available. Selecting accurate information helps players understand what your game offers. Before players can join your experience, review the privacy settings. You can keep the game private while testing or make it public when you're ready for everyone to play. After your game is published, any future improvements can be uploaded by clicking File, then Publish to Roblox. This updates your existing experience without creating a new game. Finally, open the Roblox website, visit your game's page, and launch it to confirm everything works correctly. It's a good idea to test your published version just like any other player would. And that's how to publish a Roblox game in 2026. Once your experience is live, you can continue updating it, improve gameplay based on player feedback, and even monetize it with Roblox features if your game qualifies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.